A former Tulsa police officer will soon have his 5th jury trial. 60-year-old Shannon Kepler, found guilty of manslaughter in the state court back in 2017, will be released and then tried again, this time in federal court. And it's all because of the McGirt ruling. 2 Works for You, Sierra Pizarro has the latest on the case for us. Sierra.
Yeah, Shannon Kepler is charged with murder. The crime goes back to 2014 and continues to take those close to the case on a roller coaster of emotions, especially the victim's father.
We believe very much that Mr. Kepler is not guilty of murder, that this was a self-defense situation.
Jeremy Lake was shot and killed the night of August 5th, 2014. 6 years later and 4 trials, with the last one ending in a conviction. The accused shooter is still being tried.
We're trying to figure out when and how, or how and when rather, Mr. Kepler will appear on a docket.
In October 2017, Shannon Kepler was found guilty of manslaughter in the shooting death of his daughter's boyfriend. That was Jeremy Lake. Carl Morse is his father.
My son can have his justice that he deserves, and we all as a family get the justice we deserve.
This was when Kepler was sentenced to 15 years. He was taken to Oklahoma State Penitentiary in McAlester.
Because he was a police officer, he's had to spend his time in solitary.
After 3 years, the manslaughter conviction is overturned. The district court determined the crime occurred in Indian country and that Kepler was an enrolled member of the Muskogee Creek Nation. He now awaits his federal trial date.
We'll just do our best to be ready whenever the judge tells us to and present the case to a jury, and we feel very good about the potential outcome.
The U.S. Attorney's Office of Oklahoma's Northern District will prosecute the case. They say they charged Kepler in a 3-count indictment for the murder of Jeremy Lake, which they call a tragedy, and add they're prepared for trial. So we spoke with Lake's father over the phone, Carl Morse. You just saw him. He expected Kepler's case would be dismissed, but thought the federal court would pick it up right away. Until it does, Shannon Kepler will be out of prison with an ankle monitor. Hasn't been released yet. The date of that is still unknown. I'm Sierra Pizarro, 2 Works for You.